One of the biggest changes in the legal industry today is the rise of artificial intelligence. But the biggest misunderstanding is this. People think that AI can replace a lawyer. Hi, I'm Jaswinder, Managing Director at Goldman Co Lawyers in Australia and also internationally. And today, I'm speaking with Ms. Kerry Turner about how artificial intelligence is changing the way lawyers work and the legal landscape in Australia, and most importantly, what you can do to lower your legal costs and make more effective use of your lawyer.
Jas, AI has really changed the expectations around efficiency. How should clients think about AI in legal costs?
Thank you, Kerry. That's another great question. Over the last few years, we've seen a significant advance in AI and the tools it provides, but they're essentially tools. These tools assist with legal research, document review, contract analysis, summarising case law, searching through large volumes of documents, and enhance current technology that's used in the law. AI is very effective at processing a large slab of information quickly, and it enhances tools we already use, like documents systems. These have become more powerful with AI. But AI has its limitations. It can hallucinate, as we all know, meaning it can generate information that sounds correct but is not correct. It's actually inaccurate information. It can't do reasoning and apply information to the facts. It's not really replacing human brains. It replaces an aspect of what we do as lawyers, but it doesn't replace the judgment call and the strategy yet. So while AI may point you in the right direction, everything still needs to be checked and put into a strategy. According to professional obligations, lawyers must verify all information before relying on it. And we can be struck off, and if we are submitting to the courts, we've got to make a statement that we have not used AI in this affidavit. But there have been real cases where lawyers have faced serious consequences for relying on AI-generated material that was incorrect. Naturally, AI makes certain processes faster, and clients often expect more efficiency, that this should lead to lower legal costs. And in many cases, that's true. However, what we're also seeing is that clients are using AI themselves. So I have to now check clients' AI-generated responses. Clients come to us with research and say, this is what I found, this is what should happen. And while that can be helpful for the client's understanding, it also creates a new challenge for lawyers. In practice, we often spend time reviewing AI-generated content, correcting misunderstandings, and reapplying the law properly, because whilst AI may explain the law, it often struggles to apply it to your situations because that involves judgment. Many matters involve disputes, opposing parties, lawyers, and sometimes a judge. These situations involve emotion, strategy, and judgment between multiple parties. And AI cannot predict how those parties will perform. For example, applying the law often involves certain nuances. Again, it's not just what the law says, it's how it applies to your situation. Your situation might have that one differentiating factor. And even a small error, a 1% accuracy, can make it completely inapplicable and can have serious consequences in legal work. At Goldman Lawyers, we treat AI as a very valuable tool. AI will continue to improve, and it will have a significant impact on the legal industry, and it may reduce the time required for routine work and allow lawyers to focus more on higher value tasks. But it will not replace the core of legal practice, in my view, because law isn't just about information. It's about judgment, application, and responsibility. And that responsibility always sits with your lawyer. If you want clear, reliable legal advice,